Hello.
What's going on, everybody? My name is Nixon. Here I am once again doing another video for you guys. Here I want to show you guys a little bit of a sewage spill that we had to clean up. Biohazard. As you guys can tell, there's sewage everywhere. We're talking about piles of poop, toilet paper, and a whole bunch of debris. While being down here, I also observed that the insulation on the perimeter of the crawl space is completely wet, and it also needs to get removed. I was also checking to see if there is any mold anywhere on her trusses, which I couldn't find any, and I didn't want to step on poop. Standing water everywhere along this perimeter, guys. Once on an inspection, make sure everything is checked. Subfloor, trusses. Yes, this is all sewage spill, guys. I honestly don't know how many months this has been going on, but this is severe. As I make my way back, I find a few animals that have been deceased here. That's it for the inspection, guys. I will see you guys on the next one.